This is the information and order note on assembly kitchen concept or assembly food production system. Assembly food production system is based on accepting and incorporating the latest technologies in the manufacturing and conservation of food products. In today's environment, labor is scarce and expensive. Foods of many choices are available abundantly, which could be either pre-prepared or semi-prepared that just require simple heating to consume. In assembly food production system, purchased food is stored either frozen or chilled for later use. It is then portioned, reheated, and served to the customers. In the modern assembly kitchen, the chefs do not automatically buy his or her ingredients for the menu. On the contrary, she or he will carefully choose from the 5 product types which is best for him or her by asking the following questions. Which fresh ingredients, raw, will I use? Which semi-prepared food will I use? Or which finished product will I use for preparing the final product? The assembly kitchen concept also includes preparing food component at kitchen, arranging everything cold or sometimes raw, regenerating the food items if necessary, separately serving the sauce, hygiene and safety, storage room needed for only 5 types of food products, large preparations area disappeared. The 5 different products are classified as fresh products like meats with bones, boneless, vegetables and fruit. Shelf-stable products like sterilized or pasteurized products, dehydrated products. Frozen products, chilled raw products and chilled products which are normally cooked and vacuum packed. The food process continuum starts with non-end and complete end, where the processing is there within the kitchen, from cooking, storing frozen, storing chilled, and then reheating after portioning and served to the customers. Let's move on to call order process. Call order process is the food production system that is mostly used in traditional kitchen for fine dining. For example, in the restaurants of quality hotels or different quality restaurants itself that offers a la carte menu. The call order process makes it possible for the kitchen to prepare this as per order made by the guests. Call order process allows the kitchen to meet specific requests from the customers. Most dishes are prepared from scratch using raw ingredients. For example, unprepared vegetables and meats which requires butchering and commissary work. The chef may also make use of prepared and partially prepared food, but the emphasis would be on fresh ingredients, beautifully cooked and finished. It is not usually necessary to serve customer quickly, as like on fast food restaurants, although a meal should be completed in the acceptable time. Thank you.